Right, so we're getting ready to do the final paint job on the actual covers that we made from our patterns in our previous video. I've narrowed down the paint to the paint that has the best performance. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a list and show you preparation method that I've used to make the paint process a success. Okay, so the first thing on our list is sandpaper. Okay, here I am roughing the surface. I'm using 220 grit. I bought the 220 and 320 combo pack at Walmart for less than $8. Okay, so now we're doing the cleaning application. You want to go ahead and make sure that you have some clean paper towels and you have your cleaning solution. Good idea also to wear some gloves. Okay, so here we are at the painting process. Probably use a couple coats. Number one, you always want to shake the paint really good. It's always good to go light coats and then add coats instead of trying to cover all at once. Okay, so we're finalizing the covers with the second coat of paint. We're going to go ahead and real world test the covers, put them inside the van, make sure the heat and the cold don't have a detrimental effect paint job that we just did. So looking forward to seeing you in the next video where I can give you a full rundown, let you guys know what I found with this process.